Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paddy Outback and I'm stood next to an old Chevy in Ravenswood, Queensland. It's the 16th of May 2020 and that means that the COVID-19 restrictions have been further released, meaning that we're now free to travel within a 150 kilometre radius of our homes in Queensland, which is bloody good, because Ravenswood is 130 kilometres from my house and it's a really interesting place. For the record, I decided to come here because I put a little poll on my YouTube channel asking whether I should go visit a mountain town up in the ranges or whether I should go and see a gold mine. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you wanted a gold mine, I give you a gold mine. This is the Chevy I'm stood next to, by the way. I know absolutely nothing about old American cars, so as for the model, year, all that sort of stuff, well, if someone in the comments could tell me, that would be great. I know what that is though. That's a Strom. There's a whole load of old American and Australian muscle cars parked over here. I'll just get a closer look for you there. Again, not my era of automobiles. I know absolutely nothing about a lot of them. Well, that green one there is a Mustang, I know that. Otherwise, no idea. But if you want to have an old game of spot the car in the comments section again, go for it. Right, onto the gold mine. Ravenswood was founded in the 1870s when a heap of gold was found in the area, and by the 1910s it had a population of around 5,000 people. A lot of the historic buildings from the time survive, as you can see. We'll go have a look at some of those later. It declined after World War I, mainly because a lot of the young, fit Australians that would have been working in the mines were drafted, and as such, there was no one ready to work in the mines. However, to this day, there is still a functioning gold mine here, and you can go have a look at it, and it's quite something. Just down this bit of a dirt road here, and we will get to the lookout. As I mentioned, still a functioning gold mine, and apparently its future is secure for the next couple of years. There is only about 250 people living in the area now, and I think it makes probably more money off of tourism than it does from gold. Still though, it's good to see the old town surviving. It is a pretty awesome place. Okay, let's park up and let's go have a look at this here gold mine. As holes in the ground go, that isn't a bad one. Anyway, let's go look at some of these cool old buildings inside in Ravenswood. We can pull in here and go for a little walk. There we go. Okay. This is Thorpe's Buildings in front of us, which is still a functioning furniture shop according to the signs. Hang on. Okay, still a functioning furniture shop. It's obviously closed at the moment, owing to the fact that there isn't too many people up here because of the Rona. And over here we have the Imperial Hotel, which is one of the 2 heritage listed hotels in Ravenswood. I'll show you the other one, which is a bit up the road when we go past. Pretty spectacular building. Look at the little buggy. Wonder would the Strom be able to pull that. Sure, I could MacGyver it. There is Ravenswood Post Office. Even complete with the old school petrol pumps out the front. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the world's most pointless locked gate. Good job. Anyway, just across the creek here is my favourite building in Ravenswood, which is definitely the old ambulance station, which is just a really awesome looking building. Dates back to 1902. I know this because you can clearly see 1902 written on the top of the roof there. What a cool little town this is. If you're in the North Queensland region, you really need to visit this. It's awesome. This is another spot which is popular with motorcycle riders around here as well. Doesn't seem to be many here today, but ordinarily it's quite busy. Oh dear, I just spotted something. Tough break, old mate. Tough break. And this is the railway hotel in on the left here, which is, as you can tell by the Chevy, where I started this video. And they are doing takeaway coffee and drinks and stuff today, which was blessed relief. All the old mining equipment just left there. Can I go in here? I'll walk down, I won't be a bum, I'll walk. Some of the old mining buildings and mining equipment from back in the day on display here. I always find this stuff really fascinating. Look at the old steam engine there. And the tin sheds. I wouldn't have liked to have been stuck in one of those tin sheds on a 40+ degree summer day up here. That would have been unpleasant. And the old cooling tower. Another one off in the background there as well, you can see. And another one. Anyway, that's Ravenswood, Queensland. Fantastic little town, well worth a visit if you're in the area, and it's a really good ride up too. You'll enjoy it, so do it. Anyway, I'm going to head back to Townsville now. Outro crew, I believe that's what the cool vloggers call them. Hang on, I have to discuss a little thing that happened to a friend of mine over in the US lately, and a guy who would be looking for a little bit of support if yous wouldn't mind. On the 4th of May this year, one of my favourite moto vloggers, a gentleman by the name of Papa Hefe, who comes from just outside Mobile, Alabama, he was involved in a horrific motorcycle accident that has irrevocably altered the course of his life and his family's life. And what I'm asking you to do is when you finished watching this video, I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description below, and I would like you all to just go watch a couple of his videos and just say good day to the guy. I'll let him explain exactly what happened and what's going on. He made a video on it which was released this last night, and he, as is typical for him, puts it in far more eloquent and entertaining a way as I ever could. So that's the one thing I'll ask from you today, lads, if you could just go show my mate Papa Hefe some love and just say good day to the lad. I'm sure he'd really appreciate it. Thank you all very much for watching. I'll catch you all again soon. If you are in an area which has had some COVID restrictions lifted, please take it easy on your motorcycles and try and let that pent out frustration out gradually. I'll catch you all again soon. Good luck! What are you boys doing? Yeah, you feck off, goats. That was neutral.